So Nette broke the knob on the KitchenAid. It's in pieces there. So we're gonna take this out and make a new knob for it, I guess. This will be fun. So the stud that came out of there is metric. So I'm gonna drill a little bit smaller hole about in the middle. The right way. That tape's on there to give me about a depth that I want. So this is just 64 smaller than 1/4 of an inch. And that should screw in there. There's just a little extra length.
So could you sand it flat on two sides opposite each other so you got somewhere to stick your fingers?
Yeah, we're gonna, don't worry. We have a plan. So this is gonna run a little bit out of true, but we'll clean it up on the grinder. Gentle. Try that. And we'll have to do stay. Try not to get glue all over the outside of it. It's too tight a fit. The epoxy just forms a seal and you can't push it in tight. Sometimes you got to drill a little hole in the end, or in this case we got a little bit looser fit there, so should be golden.
Everybody, welcome to the Cow Emporium. It is early Sunday morning. It is black outside. We can't see anything. I'm the only one up. And I brought in some stuff to do some meal prep for the second week of our 21-day challenge. The red potatoes I'm going to peel and make into shredded hash browns. The Yukon Gold potatoes back there I'm going to clean up and I'm going to bake those. I'm going to take the pumpkin apart, save the seeds, and I'm going to steam that. I am going to take that spaghetti squash apart and save the seeds, and I'm going to bake that along with the potatoes. I have a pot going to hard boil those eggs. And this is Sammy, the sourdough. We haven't had sourdough in so long. So I have water boiling ready for the eggs. So let's get started. Glen went out today and cleaned some more wheat for us to grind up. You can see there's a few little bits of barley in there. Not bad. Looks really good. It's a little bit breezy today, so it really helps pouring the grain back and forth to get rid of the chaff and all the stuff you don't want in there, all the dust. As you can see, I got the stove cleared off pretty well. Got some chicken breasts out for supper, and then I'm grinding some wheat. This mill will only last for about 10 minutes before it overheats, so usually that's one tank full at a time. And then we gotta wait for it to cool down for about half an hour. These are some of the field peas toasting. When the field peas are done, I'm gonna stick the squash seeds on a tray with a little salt and pepper and roast those up to eat this next week. Wow, Glen, those tortillas look amazing.
Yeah.
What did you discover?
If you make them round, they fit in the frying pan better. It's amazing.
Oh, there's a beep beep. Holy cow, look at those. Sorry, I was distracting you. Wow, those are amazing. Here's a recipe. 2
Whole wheat
cups
flour,
whole
salt,
wheat
oil.
flour, salt, oil. That and water. Mix and let rest 15 minutes before rolling. We should give this guy a cookie.
Yeah, we can't have cookies for another 14 days.
Oh shoot, well we could have cookies, we just can't have anything in them except for
Cookies,
dried
flour.
Saskatoons and flour.
That's different.
14 more days! Wrong one. That's your whole day? You having trouble, Glen?
Yes, I'm having trouble today.
I got a light for you.
Yeah. That's a trouble light. That's really good.